If you've been using 12D for some time, you should know that you are able to hit F1 on your keyboard to open up 12D Models Help or Reference Manual. Also, opening up a specific panel, say exporting out of a DWG file, if you click on the Help button there at the bottom right hand corner, it will also fire up the reference manual, taking you directly to the page on the panel you're requiring help on. The reference manual can also be accessed under the main menu Help, 12D Model Reference Manual. But with some information, like writing out of a DWG file, the 12D manual might not provide enough help specific for organizations. So you might wish to actually add your own help information to 12D. To do this, we simply come up to the 12D user directory. I'm going to fire it up using Explorer here. So we'll explore, and it'll open into the directory where my user directory is. So C, 12D, the directory number, and user. So to make my own help directory, essentially we make a new folder in here. It's just simply called help. Now under this help directory, we need to specify what panel is going to access the files, whether they're text files, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and the such. So inside this directory, we need to give the name of the panel itself. So the easiest way to do that is actually to go up to the little 12D icon and select the word dump. This comes up with the name of the panel, which I can just simply highlight, Control copy on the keyboard, and then going back into Explorer or Explore, I can then make a new directory or folder with that name. So inside this folder is where I want to place any additional PDF files and other files you might want to use for help. Now you can see if I move a PDF file into this directory, or you might even have something as fancy as a video file, then they will actually then be able to be accessed for additional help. So to see that working, I'll just push this across to the side for a second. I need to close the panel down, and next time I open up that same panel, 12D, writing out of a DWG file, you'll notice the slight difference in that we now have the help with the little asterisks at the end. Clicking on there, you can see the help that's now available from 12D. So you've got the 12D original help, you've got access to my PDF file, and also to my video that I have linked. Now you might find it easier not to have videos on everyone's C drive in your organization, and you might want to standardize this user directory on the network. But another way you might have your own company set up might be that you actually have some additional information on the internet. So there is another way what we can do, and you can see here what I've got here. I've got a page specifically set up for exporting data to CAD. It's actually linked to a YouTube video, and it's got some more written notes to help a user go through and know the process that they need to undertake. So what I want to do is actually get 12D to link directly to this web page. The easiest way to do this is basically in your web browser, come up and create a bookmark for this page. So I'll create a bookmark, and you'll see, done, I've now got a new bookmark that's created for me. I'm now going to go right mouse button, and I'm going to copy this bookmark, and essentially just on my desktop to make life a little bit easier, I'm going to paste this new shortcut. Now the shortcut file that I've created, if we have a look at it, is a URL file. Basically it's an internet shortcut, and you can see there that it's actually linked directly to that web page. So I now just need to move that file again into my directory under my help, and so the next time I actually open up 12D on the help on that panel, that will now be added to the list also. Selecting on the link, it will fire up the internet and go directly to the page. And that's a great way to be able to centralize your information and give everyone access to additional notes specific for your organization. I hope this helps. Well, gives everyone extra help in the office. Have a good day.